We're now going to talk about installing the Bonelab Repository. Specifically, we're going to start with software dependencies. So if you go to anaconda.org, they have a download section, download Anaconda. And from here, you can download Anaconda. This is going to include many things, conda packages. It might include some of these pre-built softwares, such as Jupyter Notebooks and Spider. The main thing we're looking for, though, is conda. So go ahead now and download Anaconda. Once that's done, you're going to have to install Xcode. So here is a small little tutorial. If you go into your App Store, it's a little bit slow. You're going to have to install Xcode, and Xcode is a huge install, something like 10 gigs, so it can take a while. So I already have it installed, but go ahead and install Xcode. Once Xcode is installed, we're going to have to do a small little thing. We're going to have to install the command line tools using this command, xcode-select install. I've already installed the tools, as obviously. There's going to be a little bit of licensing you have to agree to, but at this point, if you can run this command, git status and conda list, then you're ready to move on to the install.